Well, I think that's the break of the game din talaga. That's, we can end with just 2 sets. And I think yun yung isa sa mga biggest lesson namin today. And we know naman, Choco Mucho won't go down without a fight as well. So, ayun, ganda nung laban. It was really a good fight. Entertaining fight actually. In the end, kinapos kami. So, dami din naming lapses, most especially the basic ones. So, yeah, I think that's what we're focusing on in practice tomorrow.
Talagang ang buhay, talagang may nananalo talaga. Pero ang importante, may natututunan naman kami. And paano namin siya maayos sa training? Agad-agad. Kasi isang araw lang po ang training namin bago ulit maglaro against Petrogas. So, I think normal talaga mangyayari to sa semis kasi lahat talaga gusto pumasok sa finals.
Alright, so masasabi mo bang nakapag-
Well, we always train as a team naman. And it's always part of training na niro-rotate din kami lahat ni Coach Sherwin. So, I guess we miss thoughts, definitely. But we run as in a system kasi. So, kahit minsan may nawawala sa amin, yung make sure ni Coach Sherwin, talagang gagalaw kami in a certain way sa system natin. So, yeah, we really played our hearts out today. Unfortunately, we lost them talaga. But yeah, we're praying for Tony today na sana makapasok na talaga siya sa Korean College. Really? Okay, yeah. Perfect.
And
Ngayon, yung pagkatalo namin, hindi namin dapat damdamin. Walang oras para damdamin lahat. And hindi kami din para malungkot pa sa mga nangyari kanina sa game. So, yun nga, isang araw lang yung preparation. So, ang importante ngayong gabi, makapagpahinga ng maayos, makakatulog, alam mo yun, makakakain ng mabuti dahil bukas sasama kami ulit sa training. And tagahandaan namin ng mabuti yung preparation.
same question. Dealing with pressure
Pressure. Well, we've always mentioned naman na pressure is such a privilege. At this point in this league, ang sarap na sa pakiramdam na nakakaramdam ka ng pressure and ang gagawin lang namin, paano namin siya mata-translate into being composed and being able to run plays and perform well. So, yun lang naman. It's such a privilege to be part of this Final Four. We can see even this game is super close. So, i-enjoy namin. I think yun yung one thing na gusto namin this conference. Enjoy namin and huwag kaming masyadong mag-overthink sa mga bagay namin.
For Elias, ano lang, siguro sobrang nabibilib din ako kay Coach Dante kung paano siya mag-adjust, paano niya ina-adjust yung team niya sa isang game. And sobrang laki din bagay na nangyari sa kanila. Kasi sa kanila last year na nakapasok sila ng finals, sobrang nakakataas na moral sa kanilang lahat. And ngayon niya, sinabi na rin naman ata ni Mandy na hindi na sila basta-basta lang talaga. And totoo naman din talaga. So, yun lang. Happy lang din ako kasi as sister team namin sila. So, at least parehas kami yung umaangat. And mas maganda yung mga pinapakita namin laban. So,
Well, I guess one thing na more than the skills siguro after that finals appearance last conference, we've seen and we felt also in today's game most especially na grabe na rin yung heart nila and composure nila in the game. So I guess overall they've been improving mentally, physically, and as a team. So it's gonna be a tougher and stronger Choco Mucho for sure. So, we're praying for thoughts. May it be makahabol siya sa team, may it be being part of the one of the teams there in Korea. We're just really happy for her sa ganitong opportunity na meron siya. Kung ano man yung mangyayari, ano man ang ibibigay sa aming sitwasyon pagdating sa Petrogas, we're gonna accept it and give our 100%. And hopefully we give good fight also to the team na sa Petrogas na nakalaban namin. So, thoughts, fighting. Yes. Kung ano man yan, go. Thank you!